Good morning, word wizards. We have discussed different ways to make the long A sound. Who can remind me of the spelling patterns we discussed and you learned so far this year? Yes, you learned the long A magic E, like in the word cake. We learned AI, like in the word brain. And we learned AY, like in the word spray. Well, today we're going to continue learning about long A, and we're going to read a poem. The title of the poem is The Cat Chaser. Just looking at the picture, who could the cat chaser be? I agree. I think it might be the dog as well. Let's read to find out. The Cat Chaser. I have a dog named Ray, who's as fast as he can be. He chases Nate the cat, way up the big birch tree. Nate feels right at home in his treetop space, so Ray sits and waits for another cat to chase. Were we right? Who chases Nate the cat? Yes, it was the dog named Ray. And what does Ray do after? So what happens once Ray chases Nate up the tree? Yeah, he has to sit patiently, right? And waits for another cat. Nate is much faster than Ray. Now I'm going to read it again. This time, listen for all the words with the long A sound. The Cat Chaser. I have a dog named Ray, who's as fast as he can be. He chases Nate the cat, way up the big birch tree. Nate feels right at home in his treetop space, so Ray sits and waits for another cat to chase. In the poem, there was a lot of long A words. Let's take a look. We see some A magic E words, AI and AY. We have chaser, named, chases, Nate, space, and chase. Then we have one AI word, waits. And we have two AY words, Ray and way. Let's practice reading the long A words spelled with our new spelling patterns, AI and AY. Let's do it together. We have AI like in brain and AY like in spray. Aim, aim. Play, play. Pay, pay. Trail, trail. Lay, lay. Rain, rain. Mail, mail. Day, day. Clay, clay. Air, air. Stay, stay. Paint, paint. Now, boys and girls, it's your turn to practice. You will find this worksheet. First, you will read the words with the long A sound. Sort the words under AI or AY. Then you're going to write the words in the correct column. Then you're going to complete the sentences with the long A word from the box. At last, you're going to write 3 sentences using AI and AY words. Good luck!